In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Deel to Wise. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Transferring any amount of money from Deel to Wise is extremely simple because Wise is supported as one of the official payment methods in Deel. So you will be able to sign in using your account credentials and directly transfer your money. So to start, go over to the withdrawal methods that you have available. So on your Deel dashboard, you can go over to the account settings, usually through this menu at the left, and then you will be able to see withdrawal methods. If you choose the option to withdraw, you will also see the options to add new methods, but I recommend doing this here. So go to withdrawal methods and then choose add withdrawal method. This will allow you to set up a new method into your account. And like I mentioned earlier, Wise is officially supported, so it is going to be listed here as one of the options. You can also choose bank transfer or any of the other services that you see available, but if you choose Wise, you will have to enter some account details. So you choose between a personal or business account, make sure that this is set up accordingly. Then you enter the recipient's full name, the currency, you can change between various different currencies available, and then the Wise account details. So this is the important part. So your email, the full name of account holder, and so on. Sadly, because of the nature of this video, I won't be able to show you all of these credentials on screen, but it is intuitive. So you fill out all of the necessary information, and once the add button lights up, you will be able to tap it to proceed. With this done, you can go back to the home screen and choose the option to withdraw. So if you go to the home screen, you will see withdraw, so you can finish this process. You can input the amount of balance that you would like to withdraw, from which account you will be withdrawing, and then finally the Wise account should be presented here. So as long as it was added properly and verified, you will be able to select it to continue this transfer. Be aware of any included fees, and you will be able to get this done as long as you sign in with your Wise credentials. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Deel to Wise. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.